To discuss sterilization by means of hot air. So, the hot air ovens, they are designed to generate heat with blower assisted air recirculation inside the chamber at a temperature ranging from plus 10 degrees centigrade to 150 or 200 or 250 centigrade. In a few of them, the temperature even goes to 300 degrees centigrade. So, in hot air ovens, the sterilization is done by utilizing dry heat. This is a picture of the hot air oven in which you can see its different parts. There is a temperature control knob and there is a main on off switch button, there is a heating switch, there is a tray for putting the sample in, there is a double wall insulated chamber and the thermometer can be seen at the top. The principle of hot air oven is based on convection, conduction and radiation. The oven uses conduction to sterilize the items by heating their outer surface, which then absorbs the heat and moves it towards the center of the item. There are two basic types of hot air ovens. There is a forced air hot air oven and there is a static air hot air oven. In a forced air hot air oven, there is a blower which moves the heated air inside the hot air so that all the oven has the same temperature. Forced air oven is the oven which is mostly in use. The optimal temperatures for sterilization by the help of a hot air oven are: if you use it at 170 degrees centigrade, then you have to sterilize for 30 minutes. If you decrease the temperature to 160 degrees centigrade, then you have to sterilize it for 60 minutes. And if you decrease the temperature further to 150 degrees centigrade, then the time required is 150 minutes. What is the difference between a hot air oven and an autoclave? The hot air oven uses dry heat sterilization, while an autoclave that uses moist heat or steam sterilization, which is done under pressure. What are the advantages of a hot air oven? A hot air oven is used to sterilize all the glass instruments. It includes the lab instruments like glass beakers, like pipettes, like trays. It is also used to sterilize the metallic instrument, and why it is considered superior to an autoclave, because it does not cause rusting. Since the air used is dry, so it prevents the blunting of the instruments. For moist sensitive instruments, hot air oven is a better choice. For disposable masks, we can use it, and for packing material, we can also use the hot air oven. Disadvantages of hot air oven. The disadvantage is that it cannot be used for plastic instruments because dry temperature will melt them. It cannot be used for heat sensitive instruments, and hot air oven takes a longer time compared to autoclave because it has a very slow heating process compared to it. Thank you.